In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk restore deleted emails in Gmail. Fix Today here. Let's begin. So first, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, focus on the left sidebar menu. Scroll down the left-hand sidebar and click More to expand the full list of folders. Then click on the Trash or Bin folder. This is where your deleted emails are temporarily stored. Keep in mind that messages that have been in trash for more than 30 days are automatically deleted and cannot be restored. Now, at the top left corner above the message list, click the Select checkbox in the toolbar. This will select all emails currently visible on the page. If you see a blue link at the top of the list that says Select all conversations in bin along with a number, click that link to select every email inside the trash folder. If it does not appear, just continue with the selected emails. Next, click the Move to icon in the top toolbar. It looks like a folder with an arrow. From the drop-down menu, select Inbox to move all selected messages back to your main inbox. After moving the emails, click the Inbox link in the left sidebar to confirm that the messages have been restored. Look for a notification message at the bottom left corner of the screen confirming that the emails have been successfully moved. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations!